Danger looming.
From where?
Danger looming. Kotoko pre-season trip to South Africa is in danger.
Hey, another one. From Germany to South Africa, in danger.
Big trouble because for no movement, no agency, Kotoko are supposed to travel on the 15th
of August.
Next month.
You check, you know. Kotoko and submit even a list to South Africa embassy.
Sebastian submitted there.
Adding.
Over.
It take time.
Where's submission? So where do you born in Anu?
Who here crab here 1 week?
Oh.
Who here crab?
Benjamin, and 27th.
Yeah, I say.
27th.
Make my country say for what I have checked. Kotoko continue secure a hotel, a place on by training.
You can also day, and I know your days are. Hotel, your place here.
Oh, say a offer. Say with me, copy baby. Say a preseason. So, better park and bet when I'm training. No, maybe a preseason.
Okay, so we man, I could be invite to him.
Until you have to do all this. Park out training also. Say unya team might be about at least 1 or 2 matches. Be so be away low profile back. No, what back and sana waba. All these things are yet to be done.
Benjamin, they can still do it. And
no, Minkasa is cancelled.
And they're 27th. Sir,
say danger.
Next week in Boa. So I'm trying to say on the 1st up to 15th. Kotoko from 27th up to 15th of August. They can do it.
Every week now, you could see me crying. Yes, you may.
Or any week we crime film. Now I'm trying to say 1st up to 15th. July in film. July in film. Now I'm fan of 1st up to 15th of August. With between 1st to 15th.
But me know what I say. Say I'm for Neya. For what I've been told, they seem clueless about the whole trip. And me cannot cry actually offer for what I've been told. Me nkasa omunim ni omo ye because ye ni agency bia ye ho adwuma say bia Baba Isa Travel and Tours and dey am omo working on all this.
Track chama dey bi na Ghana to South Africa visa free.
I think recently be visa free, yeah, but you still have to notify FS.
Media according to report na Krura opem so and a day team no be call on one team no they call trip for South Africa. Me sure say ohinu okruma now you should crack be as for team no kwa. The first up to 15 games there were if only second to come kwa if he's a catchy they can.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Ebi ana team no. E on say coach no ka be fi say oh ebia Mr. Nana me pese me ye me niam wa ha. Ebia me program no pese me ye no wa ha. If not say nye bia coach bi na say Nana pese me ye me niam wa ha. Ne mum say team ne willing so be ko there they can still go.
Danger enko.
Okay, say Chamake Faf catcher say nanka o meko voter region akwa pre-season no. Okay, I promise. Then the same day now, we break the South Africa news, you know. The same day now, catch said Nanka, ama the Kotoko ni bi kra wo ho a. O sin ko no be receive team no e bibia. Ama kisho say team that ho I am pre-season. Then the South Africa the any was it 2 countries now. E buy ya, we mo decide to because South African. But for what I'm picking, and I'm happy say Obedaba because we say we so information. Enti bia o di ba be kan ho. Na just say the South Africa trip seems to be in danger.
And minim say
South Africa there's so kutasika the person ko china betima
danger visa free
enye visa no kwa hwansa na make ho say visa beto ticket
so ntina msu kutasika
say anu sika take it to the sika
and I say for what I'm told
two suppliers be 15 na
I'm sika no they will secure them sika from somewhere to buy the ticket
but we dey dem wan am kasa wan do mu ko
danger
send by chama timura chama ke vibe kan na o si timura na do mu ko
danger
o mo go tell be no why pre-season
12-13 years ago say ansana ba apply for Canada na me am fa unko South Africa na nya travel experience the South Africa ko dey things when South Africa could be a problem. South Africa.
But me see what I'm hearing, no. The trip seems to the preseason.
But
seems to be in danger.
Yeah.
It can be in danger. Send your work.
But
I'm just asking questions.
See movement. Robina edit danger ne beba. So what you say? Sika ye dey ko. Hotel aye beda. Teams are
able training there. But
if you are going to South Africa and by 15th you should be in South Africa, there should be some movement by now.
The movement, no one just be.
Nothing is moving.
Nothing. South Africa, Germany,
So now.
It is about hotel. Our hotels now to be Tragana. Why you to be a hotel? I'll go over there.
A country that you have to go for visa before you leave.
Honor money.
No crown open copper visa.
Dangerous, but when every one Arab.
When UK be Canada be there. Maybe there might be a change in plans.
Almost say ODB can.
Oh no, some American on tell. Maybe, but in relation to their preparation. If you want better, say be a year kwa. Say voter the nyamba so. And they say clear, but not as in Sika, not as in.
I'm say now no bad for na program no who.
But when
and Chamankifa say South Africa no. A team mura.
And send them
and more. Two options. Say, much tobacco, and I'm to South Africa. Now everything is going to be funded from Mensia. It's such a way. Now, but for me, that was and the zero so danger. This is the more dangerous. This is
I will work hard to take Kotoko to the top.
Saka.
My dream has just been fulfilled. Saka, no. Over. Was it ne ni swadi hunu da yeso kase paase. As I said, utimisi aka de Kotoko. Now for me ba me no ba be ye exercise bi na me wi agya ma me nua no mi. Ana say ndie me betra sa na ma ye on.
Okoba.
Ah me koba ntie na ma me nwie we ye.
Yeah.
Ani afa.
Was it Kotoko trip na Zach 15th.
It's supposed to be 15th.
Eno mboko.
Yes.
No money media mas about 16.
Okay.
Ana me boa. So ma confirm media made. Media made na 16.
Kotoko confirm.
Media ma confirm.
Media
confirm.
Me na confirm.
Media ma confirm.
So me Kotoko is 16th. Na Kotoko be 15th.
Very well. Media minimum say Kotoko trip no is supposed to be 15th. On say when ebia ye kan asem na nkofo hwe words na ye use no. Ndi so mba be di atemo. Ya na sebi mpreduasa. Yen ko mu school ni bi die but ya no muntie asem kakra ansa. So na what asem na ye kan no because ye ka say something is in danger. It doesn't necessarily mean say
what ko hu say
obisi esi but e potential and a possibility say betimi esi. Enam no ma bia na ene na nam ho ana bia nsem bia yetete yeso yadwuma yi ye hwehwe yetietie na ya beka ofan bacho enye sa na tie enti won say me kra no honestly speaking working on it man consider Kotoko ne media ma for
see na Kwaku legacy draw my attention say media ma 16th
it's 16th then it even throws it into something else.
For why nobody can be saying data we are the my Chaman K5 interview and the K5 a catcher and say they'll be living on that day intenye but for generated date data on one like K5 told us this is the day that will be living now see March the biano na 16 va e say ebia there will be different
I'm say young
queen na yen sema na metitie eno nwumre adopɛ me san ye ho adwuma kakra because na mpese me nya bibia me kura mu a if we say be those questions na me bisa say na me am questions am bisa
okay
but what I say because minimum say anytime be a team be ase or koye preseason or baby no e normal obehia abema preseason akoye ni say obinya baby a obetena parker ahona obe use dia ni preseason no e bia so bebo match back me bi a obeye sa arrangement no and won't be in preseason without playing at least a match or two
by now before so be cancer so ya no wa wa ni nyina
oh mini problem me tiase but I'm saying that checking it around me Kotoko sources no obi antimi finance bibi so omoko a ombe stay Durban Joburg Rustenburg and I say
ebia onsa me ba o onsa confirmation e ba na free chairman K5 end ebia enche Kotoko na official e be confirm mo confirm ya sa nyeme nyina no gidi say
obi kasa me of kasa me jetu
betima to aso aba
o kasa me jetu but once chairman K5 ye nyina nim say enei IMC foyo ono mo eboko su atafre enti say obeka
by entimi confirm na asem say menim some men kan say dia say players say be you Kotoko we official
not per se
who say
no
yes
and the magic say not per se say beka say wa be cancel then that is it but asema na Ezakito kan say okuru ka say coach ni meka say onsuma no the K5 beka say Kotoko for meka say onsuma no ono so de nim say okasa wada mbi enti no ya gidi say Kotoko be South Africa but yeda ye nua na wo ti ana say wo hwe na say wode media ma de na ba beka ho for me it even throws more doubt around the South Africa trip no for me it even throw more doubt around it say I am pass Kotoko nso ajatum ebia media ma person ne Kotoko bo no matro which
media
doesn't happen that
way
media
no it was ASEC African nti omu ye no from eno me ye so mo pe nearby aibia nti no crowd no kra no na nyansi to to between Kotoko and House of Folk timi adam nya me story na de chin ya no mo confirm Kotoko de
no conclude say
o which ebi ka no me Kotoko confirm
say 16th now there and ye hear how
because official no Kotoko first state
be as you picture in here
okay
Chairman K5 na te ho e kire yen and minimum arrangement Kotoko here because before they Kotoko be ko Germany and ohene be ka say ohene ka kire o say
yes
because of tutu o mututu o tu kwan it no o twen after ohene come to no be 10 days so after 10 days or 10 year then the new Kotoko direction no known
yeah
because IMC because IMC they on interim basis and after no institute say full management to say board neighbor obetimi aye then na Kotoko shape no aye complete so manko and the muna say give 5 cast or hinama opportunity say if two venues choose what they want to go and more opt for South Africa abroche no so yankon overnight na say yankon preseason overnight you need to do a whole lot of work and sana what me akọ we secure baby over that clubs are no friendly matches and in Ghana if even Ghana across over so preseason your baby me fans of Asante Kotoko so Eastern region udi kan ko yes and money na secure all those important enema making and sana we move team nyina so Kotoko need to go through that and media game because media game I was reading somewhere as a house and Zakito
when I can between
yes Zakito pull document na media man na say the statement say Kotoko
confirm say Kotoko
so and also say for media to have confirmed no chile say obli Kotoko anya nkomodie ama Kotoko aka chop so me available so etina ama media to me back out no other than that ebia nanka would have been has so let's the ni that can could be possible say
also picking another information from another close source, very, very close source, and I trust this source. Or say, as at now, they are looking at 3 places or venues, if you like. Cape Coast, Yakan
1,
Akosombo
2,
and then Koforudia.
For
Kotoko.
we need that one.
Another very, very strong source.
But
I don't know Bibo. Said to make us still now. Supporters in Nanya who about Nanya official from Kotoko continue. We grad here. Obi found where you will be a Nanya official from Kotoko continue.
But this is a strong source.
Oh, the other is saying.
The other is saying very, very strong.
Kofodia, Cape Coast.
Kofodia, Cape Coast,
and
Akosombo. Akosombo, yeah. Any of them now, almost say, yeah. Some artists mean some of you on now some question mountains.
I'm more covered.
Omo de bi omo de bi hono ko no dasa say is buzi beach nice place bi da mo oya okwa onya you feel like natural no
Royal Ayana
Debi
Royal Beach
also hoya kama bafa onya kakra bi di ho a ya fa madam ko na ko da aju na wo da hono no hu life abo no
okay
so jata ko hu over life
how come here
now say oh Mato can over the background.
Tell me never go out some come no nyina na ose e.
Oh yes e dey. Enya na kaja.
Ya jile bu ala kaja ya fa
Ajuma ya bro.
Mediama has officially announced so many Kotoko.
No, they've done it.
Oh,
I read it.
It is on Mediama social media handles everything.
Because somebody is just telling me say Kotoko are yet to reply or respond to Mediama, even though Mediama has written to Kotoko. But Kotoko are yet to. That is what the person is telling me. The person.
Either a grapevine or a member of the IMC.
Or a very strong, or a member of the IMC. But or a brother or a friend or
a close.
Or now when I use the phone name.
I say before Mediama would
do this, and cancel
this announcement. They spoken to a high-ranking official of Kotoko who has given them yes. And again,
number Kotoko Sabasa, we refine say the chairman keep up can no cry. Kotoko Bobby system for now. And what you want to Kwana
legally since in September.
Because the person is even telling me say or more train up him so bar. They will still have to decide some Europe and on South Africa. In the South Africa no the person is also telling
me. There's you would want to be part of opening TNA. It will not be why not better reject say that stadium in terms of modern is the best we are going to have in Ghana here in terms of modern facilities.
Wow.
Oh yeah, do my one there.
Okay, so you are done on corners, yeah. Corners.
Indiana.
Mediama announcement in I come to Kotoko na born again they are two in so no. Me say Tino. Issue a fence and pitch you know. Mo fence
pitch panels.
Pitch panels no. You need no issue. Electric issue. Abuche electronic na. Understand? I am an issue. Na uro mu dressing room wa. Tino. And after CIT idea,
a 7 of it my host to calf.
No, you can play any time. A bit my any competition.
Size no better. Size no.
And let me say it 10,000 or 11,000. Maybe do 20,000. And do 15. I'm say 10
between 10 and
10 and I'm 10.
And I'm baby. But tell them what bianwa. And me was you now wait for a calf for buy no. I'm my special. I'm say this stadium there international level. And see
press conference.
Me say, idea you know, we are talking about the final stage of so ka idea we are talking about the final stage we. And I say, nobody na ya nobody me na mfuru oba. Na ka o say this stadium can host any international competition. Na hono point say there is plan it's likely Blasters match qualify see ba omodi kan omodi nkomo da
so obi ba kan say kini ka mo bi wo ho
omodi kan di nkomo da World Cup qualify see no say you nya bia say kim because me say it is the best in this country now in terms of quality pitch
and modern
bia stadium no the TNA now is the best we have in
we come to that. What about South Africa and about our game, no? Now we can only talk about Mediama statement of Modiaba out. We no must wait. Session we will see. Maybe 15 for no say
between 15th, 17th, 18th, you can also make an arrangement. Once will be cast almost tremor or he not be do and sign on my arrangement, you know. It's possible, say, on my bomb, game never. We are addition or 2 days after that, they plane to South Africa and do whatever they want to do over there. So it shouldn't be the argument over that.
You know, Francis Ejeba for the Clementino, please don't forget how Otumfuo tricked Samuel Oseko for when he came out ahead of his announcement by Otumfuo. His Royal Majesty can do same to K5 by announcing the travel arrangements to South Africa ahead of His Royal Majesty. Thanks.
So back to the players are almost signed. Saka there, or a player that I know, that's a force. He's a forward and very good player. The addition to Asante Kotoko, is one player that any of the Kotoko forwards no. The competition being that boy of the free offensive team no Amidu or whoever you know Obano I think is going to compete. It's going to compete, so we get such players and it's good. You're talking about that. I see, you know, I mean, we so much, but the MTT fan who said he's also a top left back. Or also a smart competition. So like the Zakito Ekano, I say do a Danton task because you are paying a smart dollar. You see the point, and you don't expect the player who try to dollar no. Ubejai Obama Abertran bench. Said you na Porte Uze Yane can was say Kotoko Porte no T bench Kotoko $2 no. Now even if you say it wasn't worth it. So I want to believe he said a smart payday who ye. Me person me share be on the offensive aspect of the ball. Because all Kotoko has now. Not because Kotoko you're cautious because of say now these players are playing for the first time. So now on copy so here you will not see 2 or more times or try center or pull out. And say in the modern football side the home. You see the point? So I think say you know, but your boy, you know, as a defender, he gave it all. Who say yes? He's a top notch. He's a quality player. And say Asiedu have to give him a fight in order not to become a bench warmer. You need to give him a fight. As you said, the cancer ball regularly for Brooklyn Chase, right? Now or you're almost trusted number 3 no. On Fasade no Emra. May I like competitions in every aspect of Nipa life. Say competition you tend to relax. That's it too. So competition always make you be no. We aggressive. You want to go. You want to do the needful. So a good addition na Kotoko. You know now.
I think yes, Kotoko. I confirm me the
okay.
16th.
Okay.
Good.
So what it means is that these players like Nazakito can move away from that. Kotoko being Kase Kotoko entering in league now. But I support and I say what the pressure ever to Kotoko so say changing achia you are not being fair to the club. You see the point?
Kotoko
football movie are what you call chemistry.
Fantastic.
Bonding. You see the point?
Yeah.
Very important, very crucial. A crucial football mu change. Almost everything. Everything a team be better amount. Players are omu respect for team on the buy, you know. So open names you will not get big names in the Spanish team on the ball, Euro Championship, you know. But they don't want to say they play like a team. You see the point? The system no more, they understand the system and work because of the coach, you know. Not over under 20. On another under 20 coach, timer Enrique Quiet, I don't punching the shareholder, you know. He knew these boys. Yama Mone, Sa William Mone, Sanko Fono, no one knew I don't buy. So they were not Saka Oka names and Nanka England for our big names. You knew but you could clearly see say the Spain for not have a team. So I didn't hear football mupano, not necessarily the names, but how the team can gel up, can play together. They understand each other. So I don't want you man akasa ko to compare for be. So the house of work ko to get on be yastika one here. At the end of the day, you'll be disappointed. even though my indication there were clear case of promising so who say yes team way a bit more good but what they don't hear yastic say no tiru be measure team you get it wrong of anya nwa say Kotoko she house of folk but say o ma anya nema yi a house but my nema yi me say the season proper house but Kotoko no she no sana Preseason na jere tie it's about the team kutu bi na one big team about Preseason na who the team kutu na she no almost over select national team of the best players available now no about club no she no and just a club in boche no but that understanding that bonding no that chemistry na what you know that team no national team no munyaye and yet a possible Kotoko to Magic League but me I will not give Kotoko pressure and I want Kotoko supporter everywhere so I don't say you're not going to give Coach Ogum pressure. I think
it's big players in for that.
Yeah, I think the supporters don't air team maybe I say. Who's initially not almost your charge, you know. I could second players hey, this is unfair. But I began to understand they say it was a whole system. I don't Coach Ogum. A system Kotoko decision. You see the point? It's not supposed to begin to understand it. I think it's a so and then my air cost one more Kotoko to back by the great Kenner. Utimu said they are heading to the right direction. The supporter will need to come on board. That not make us offer. Supporters no. This is the timer.
Season way dear Muntimin Trafinia a you. Also Maba Bayara in your bed for after.
And 5 times you offer.
Yes.
Kotoko website is there for
tonight.
Kotoko can list Kotoko stadium. Baba Kotoko. By 20,000
no pay him near top stars. Minim some friends idea.
Yeah, but that's some kind. Not Zakito can say yes, okay, coach in McCain. And it manifested over a game on boy Nana. You could clearly see there. If the players are not better than the one we are calling now, at worst, I will not be a pay. But the Denver no I'm the other Yasika me much more players with character. Of course, that's you are calling somebody the boy of a boy that from Krimu. Somebody born on Bopao. I dare ba ko be had so you too sure. I was such players now, defenders that they want to pick the ball and going to or you too overconfident. And maybe you be maybe no. But ball na nkasa there. But for me new nyasa so ko microscope. As long as somebody born ball. The free by go to leave it by when the calmness on the ball, entry, the calmness on the ball. But for Jebo, how you see the point? These are players, and I'm coaching the character. No who training. No who training to a castle or more character. No. So let's observe a bit more. To also folk, they're also doing their own. And then one area has supporters a bomb with goalkeeping. Of or more, they are in a